Now that we've set up our VPC, we can create an Elastic Beanstalk application. So we'll find Elastic Beanstalk, we'll hit the Get Started, we'll give our application a name. For this demo, we'll be using Ruby. Initially, we'll just deploy the sample application, and we'll go into Configure More Options so we can set the details of our application. We want to use Ruby 2.3 and Puma. We'll also use the high availability option so that we can use our multiple availability zones. The first environment that I want to create will be a dev environment. The software we can leave as is. For the instances, we'll use a T2 small. Capacity we can leave as set up. Load balancer we'll leave as configured. For the security, we'll leave as set up. For the networking, we'll choose our new VPC. Our load balancer will be public, and we'll place the load balancer in our public subnets. For the instance settings, we won't assign a public IP address. All access will be via the load balancer, and we'll place our instances in our private subnets. And for our instance security group, we'll use our web servers group. For the database, we'll be setting up our RDS instance outside of Elastic Beanstalk. So we can now hit the Create App button. This can take some time. So our environment is now complete, and we can check this by navigating to the environment URL, and we can see that Rails is up and running on Elastic Beanstalk. And our environment has turned green. We can click through, and we can see that its health is set to OK. It's running sample application, and all is good. In the next steps, we'll create an RDS instance, and then we'll deploy an actual Rails application to our dev environment.